Yari, besh! Hi guys! Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to have another product review, which is the Biore Makeup Remover. Here it is. Ito siya. As you can see, meron akong makeup today, and this one is mga waterproof yung eyeliner ko and glitters, and we will be testing this out. So when it comes to packaging, again, nakakalula yung packaging, ang cute. So nakalagay dito, merong oil, skin feels clean and moisturized with no sticky after feel. So it says, meron talaga. Removes waterproof makeup effectively. Tapos deep cleansing oil. Okay, tapos made in Japan, I think. So meron dito, Biore Deep Cleansing Oil, ideal for those who likes to deep cleanse. Okay, so this oil-based makeup remover effectively dissolves and removes stubborn makeup, even waterproof mascara, while lifting away makeup residue. It does not emulsify upon contact with moderate usage of water, thus maintaining its optimal cleansing performance even under wet condition while taking a shower. So usage: apply an appropriate amount of cleansing oil into the palm, massage gently over face to remove waterproof makeup and mascara, rinse thoroughly with water. So yun ang gagawin natin today. Kukunin muna natin ito. Agay, natanggal na siya. Kanina pa to, mga ilang hours na tong makeup ko day. So meron siyang cup. This cost me 349 pesos sa Watsons, guys. And this was suggested by Miss Feline. Kasi nga, madali ako mag-breakout kapag hindi natatanggal yung, makeup sa mukha ko. So, it's very good. Kasi matatry ko na siya. Oh, generous amount na ilagay sa palm. Aray ko, super oily ko na, no? Oh. Ang dami ko sigurong nalagay, no? Lagay natin muna ito. Ala, ang bilis niyang nakatanggal ng makeup ko. Ang bango. I'm not really good on scent, guys. Kita pa ba ako? Hala, ang daling na melt ng makeup ko. Uy, hala, asa na ba yung pink ko na ano? Hindi ako na-prepare. Ang pangit ng mukha ko, guys. Tapos, hala, ang daling na melt ng makeup ko. Oh. Yari, besh. Kasi glitters all over. Tapos, cleanse thoroughly with water daw. Cleanse thoroughly with water. Anuhin natin to? Tipirin natin to. Ganyan. Kasi marami dyan. Marami dyang ano. Meron pa nga sa likod ko. Oh. Yan talaga natin. Eh. Kasi depende din naman yun sa pag-ano nyo sa makeup nyo eh. Meron pa sa lips. Oh. Hala, grabe. Effective. Wala. I-cleanse ko muna, guys, and I'll be back. Paano to? Paano ko na to maano? Yan na, guys. Paghilamos pa ako. Pero hindi ko pa natanggal yung water. Ano ko lang. Sige. Hanggang natin. Ay, nako. Kita yung dangas ko, besh. Hala, grabe. I was shocked kasi minsan yung mga makeup, ang tagal talaga kunin sa mukha ko. And then ito, parang meron lang mga konting glitters na ano. Pero ano naman talaga tong mga glitters eh. Guys. Oh. Grabe. Have you tried this one as well? If you have tried this one, comment down below. Nashock talaga ako kasi diretso niyang minelt yung makeup. Hala, uy. Tapos, ang dami pa nung nakuha ko. Tingnan natin ha. Meron pang makukuha dito sa makeup remover. Oh. Hindi talaga to biro, guys. Oh. Ginanon ko to. Oh. Oh. Wala. 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 Ala, uy. Sa mata rin, wala. Wala. Ay, nako. Guys, nakita nyo kung gaano siya ka-effective. And, hindi dry, super dry yung face ko. I thought kanina while rinsing it, yung meron pang oil ba? Tapos, after nakuha ko yung water, ang clean niya, squeaky clean na hindi dry. I was shocked and amazed with the result. So, if you're a makeup enthusiast and you really wanted to have a dry, a deep cleaning prior kayo matulog, I really suggest this one. And I would love to buy again and again this one. Kasi parang, I found it. I found my, partner in makeup, partner in crime. Kailangan talaga siya ng deep cleaning at ang ganda ng face ko. Oh my God. Tapos na ang review. Ang bango pa niya, hindi siya ganong mabango talaga. Ano ba tong, meron ba tong scent? Lavender. So, for 349 pesos, 150 ml siya. It is made in Japan. Naku, laisyo pag Japan talaga. My God. Wala na akong masay. Yun lang. Meron lang caution dito, guys. Remove contact lens before use and avoid direct contact with eyes. If the liquid irritates your eyes, rinse immediately with water without rubbing. If eyes remain abnormal, consult an ophthalmologist. Keep away from direct sunlight. So that's it for this, guys. I'm ready to sleep. So mag half bath lang tayo and then I'm ready to go. So this is my skin right now. Meron lang akong dalawa stubborn. So I will be updating to you soon what are the tools that I'm using lately. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon next video. Sarang he. Huh?